Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to add funds to your Nintendo Switch account. And this is rather easy, so make sure you're on the correct page. So I'm under my page, and then I'm going to go to the Nintendo eShop right here. Select that, then select your profile. Then wait for this to load. It might be about 5 to 10 seconds. Then once we're under the screen, go all the way to the right, and then up. And go to your little player icon and select A on it. Now under here, you should be under your account page. Now you can just go to available funds and select A on this. Then you're going to have to add your credit card, Nintendo eShop card, or PayPal. So maybe you went to a grocery store or a Walmart and you got a 12-character like voucher code. You can go ahead and enter that in right here. And that should provide you funds to your account. So here's your available gold points. Just go ahead and select this and you should be able to see it. And then you can use this money to buy things through the Nintendo store, or you can buy a Nintendo Switch Online subscription if you want to go ahead and play online. Well, hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.